Tired of tangled cords and dead batteries? Ever wonder how your phone charges just by placing it on a pad? Today, we're diving into the fascinating science behind wireless charging. Let's break it down super simply. Everything starts with electromagnetic fields. These invisible forces surround magnets and electric currents. What you're seeing here is the magnetic field in action. When electricity flows through a wire, it creates a magnetic field around it. And that's the principle wireless charging is built on. Think of these fields as invisible energy bridges. Now let's talk about induction. When a magnetic field from one coil moves, it can create electricity in another coil nearby. No wires connecting them, yet energy still transfers. It's kind of like dropping two stones in water. One causes ripples that reach the other. In wireless charging, the charger has a transmitting coil and your phone has a receiving coil. Place your phone on the pad and those coils start communicating wirelessly. The field from the charging pad moves and the phone's coil picks up the energy. That's inductive charging. Energy moves without physical contact. Wall outlet, charger coil, electromagnetic field, phone coil, battery, just like that. Sounds like magic, but it's just smart physics at work. Let's look at what's inside a wireless charging system. First, the transmitter coil. This is in your charging pad. It creates the electromagnetic field when electricity flows through it. Next, the receiver coil. That's inside your phone. It catches the energy from the field and turns it back into electric current. A smart chip controls how much power your phone receives. It also prevents overcharging and overheating. The charger still needs to be plugged in. It's wireless to your phone, not to the wall. Electricity becomes a magnetic field, triggers induction, and turns back into electricity. Wireless charging is a bit less efficient than cables, but it's getting better all the time. Now imagine parking your electric car and it starts charging wirelessly. The future of wireless charging goes far beyond phones. From kitchen gadgets to medical implants, it could be everywhere. No more cables, no more battery anxiety. Public places could have wireless charging embedded in furniture. Even streets could charge your devices or cars as you walk or drive. All thanks to electromagnetic fields and induction. To sum it up, electromagnetic fields create invisible energy bridges, and coils on both ends make the magic happen. Just drop your phone on the pad and let science do the rest. Is this the future of energy transfer? All signs point to yes. What if your entire home was wirelessly powered? Would you switch to all wireless everything? Let me know in the comments. If you found this helpful, give it a like and share with your tech-loving friends. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one, fully charged.